Right, this is the ICL lock, and these are the UK drills. I just ordered some drill bits from these lot, and I'm going to see how if they drill this ICL casing, well not the casing, the bolt, because it appears on here on this ICL lock it has a chrome bolt, so we'll drill it and find out if it does. Well, that does it very easy, doesn't it? That drill. Right, so as you can see, that drills it very easily. What I'll do now is see how good it is on the casing these drills. There we go, let's see if we can drill the casing with the same. Well, that's quite easy. Soft hard plate as well, it looks like. Now this is an old Fortress casing. Let's see if this drill bit drills this. A bit harder to drill that, but it does go. Quite good drills these. This hard plate is a lot harder to drill than this one. You can see by the spatterings of the stuff. A lot easier to drill this one than that one.